Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a contact form in Jotform in 2026. If you want visitors to easily contact you through your website or share inquiries online, this guide will help you create a professional contact form step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, from your dashboard, click Create Form to start a new form. Now choose a blank form or select a contact form template from the template library. Next, add the essential fields such as name, email address, phone number, subject, and message. Now arrange the fields in the order you want using the drag and drop editor. Next, mark important fields like name, email, and message as required, so users must complete them before submitting. Now customize the form title, description, colors, fonts, and layout to match your website or brand. Next, open the Settings section to configure email notifications and the confirmation message users will see after submitting the form. Now preview your contact form to make sure it looks good and works properly on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, publish the form and share it using a direct link or embed it on your website. And that's it, you've successfully created a contact form in Jotform. Your visitors can now send you messages quickly and professionally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.